It's your boy McParter up in the building. How you gonna leave me on the Hennessy Cypher? Okay, fine. It's fair. You don't know me, but now you do. This started as a cipher for the Hennessy, and that is the beginning. It's a genesis. You know I got the energy, adrenaline. You know I got advantage. From my melanin, be killing all these N-words. Fentanyl, need Christ stole the rhymes. Methamphetamine, Jesus is a rock. As you later learn, when I do my moves, it's no lie, cause I play to win. My father is a giant like the Nephilim. Yet the devil is offended, homie, pray for him. But the devil made you feel it's okay to sin. I unravel all the schemes, yet I pray for them. I dream what I aim for all of them to be. Man, I really walk the walk like a centipede. Alpha and beta, omega, it's A to Z. Alpha, omega, like God, it's who they claim to be. It's genuine, words are vibrating on the frenulum. Hip-hop is not a game, it's now my family. And if hip-hop is my family indeed, that's why I vote for all my enemies. They telling me to lead on the platforms. Ever since I gave them what to read on the .com. Ever since I'm cloth that your bloggers have been cut from. Ever since my comments been a movie, get your popcorn. I always been coming with the shots, but it's not porn. I do my comedy in short form. Paid by the agencies to talk to them. I got raps, animations, I got poems. From everywhere, don't tell me where I'm not from. Need a bad girl like the one Nicki Minaj's. Dreamers got the beamers or the Benz in the garages. Streamers see illusions on the flicks, the mirages. Scheming about rap Porter giving you the raw shit. I'm nauseous, vomiting the bars, it's for athletes. Running up the bars while I back it with the ad-libs. Gonna eat the rappers like when Nas did. If rap is such an engine, I'm the car key. Cocky, like when I did that pop out with Shaki. Sauces will tell you I'm a legend, more like Parkers. Watch me celebrate my victories or suck it. Reach stairs, my bars are words of Robert Kiyosaki. Play the handed hip-hop in the country you do not see. Cause you been a hater like a heathen neo-Nazi. Touch it with the bars when all the memories are flaccid. Thugger is in jail, now he's Ghana the assassin. I'm gonna prevail with the wisdom I'm amassing. If sleep is the cousin of, ghosting is the cousin. I've been doing business, making profit from the margin. I can give you visions that your bosses don't imagine. Try to rope me in on the trees like I'm Tarzan. Always known as Judas who be chilling in the dozen. Either she supports you in your dream or she doesn't. Either she doesn't know the timing or she knows when. Shout out to my homie Kudana Kadenes, the Spooks Bang, Don Gucci.